Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to install the latest Google Photos ReVanced version. This is the ultimate method to get free, unlimited Google Photos storage in original quality on any rooted Android phone without facing any issues. We will be doing this using a specific Magisk module. Basically, this module works by spoofing the Google Photos app to make it think your device is the original Google Pixel XL. Because the original Pixel XL is the only phone that still has lifetime unlimited storage at original quality, this trick allows your device to enjoy that same benefit. Before we get started, there are just two quick requirements. First, obviously, your phone must be rooted. Second, you need to have the Magisk app installed. Also, I highly recommend that you go into your app settings and uninstall any recent updates to the official Google Photos app, reverting it to the stock version just to ensure the installation is clean. Alright, let's get into the installation steps. First, go to the description of this video and download the ReVanced Google Photos Magisk module zip file to your phone's internal storage. Next, open up your Magisk app. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the tab labeled Modules. At the top of the Modules screen, tap on the button that says Install from Storage. This will open your file manager. Navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file and select the zip file you just downloaded. Once you select it, Magisk will automatically begin the flashing process. You will see volume key prompts or text scrolling on the screen as it applies the patches and sets up the Pixel XL device spoofing configuration. When the installation says Done, you will see a blue Reboot button appear at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap that button to restart your device. This is necessary to activate the module. Once your phone is rebooted, unlock it and open the Google Photos app. You might need to sign in again or reconfirm your backup settings. To verify that it worked, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then check your storage meter or backup settings. You should see a message confirming that this Pixel can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. And that is it! You have successfully tricked the app and secured unlimited cloud storage for your memories. If this video helped you out, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more rooted Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.